Wow, what a year at the Gardens. Simply amazing. Our season is over, the tent is down, the last of the leaves are falling off the trees, but wow, our hearts are full and just, it's simply amazing. From all the events that we hosted this year, from the first one of Farmington Senior Prom to the last wedding. We took a few pictures at each wedding. We just put them together in a slideshow so we could share just a little bit of the Gardens with you. Here, check it out.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Times another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Told you I could never let you go. I'm not so sure you believe me, but if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
See what I mean? Pretty freaking amazing. Just wow. I know that a lot of the things here are beautiful, the timber frames, the Grinbig, all that stuff, but that is just stuff. What really makes this place special are all of the couples, all of the guests, just the people that show up and activate the space. They're the ones that make it just beautiful, full of love, and just fun to be here. So thank you to all of our amazing couples from this last year, and all of their guests, their friends, their families. That just, wow, it's flat out amazing. thank you to the garden staff, because holy crap, there's a lot of work at this place keeping all of the gardens looking pretty from spring all the way till fall. The firewood, the mowing, the cleaning, everything that happens in the office. But the gardens team does just a fabulous, amazing job. And all of the vendors, thank you for doing what you do, from transportation to decorating, the decor, the flowers, the food, the beverages. The list goes on. They're all simply amazing on what happens here at the garden. So just enjoy. Well, it's time for us to get a little R&R. That is rest and recovery, because it was just a whirlwind, wonderful, wonderful year of doing weddings and events here at the gardens. We're not going to take too much time, because we are already working on next year for all the weddings that are happening, and it's wonderful, absolutely wonderful. It's going to be busier next year, it's going to be more beautiful next year, and it's going to have just as much love as there was this year next year, and that is truly exciting. So thank you for following along here. I'm Glenn at the Gardens of Castle Rock, the workshop at the gardens. Do appreciate you taking time to check out the video. Enjoy.